Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wajarina. In this video, I would like to present my material about the enigmatic of Gedong Songo Temple. First of all, have you guys ever been visit the historical place in Indonesia? Talking about the history, I think it's nothing wrong when we talking about the history. It doesn't mean that we're not moving on from the past, but it shows we respect for what was happened in our country before. So before we moving to the topic, let me introduce myself first. My name is Wajarina Wahyu Ramawati, with my last number is 24, and I'm from class D. So what is the Gedong Songo Temple? Gedong Songo Temple is a very old Hindu temple in Central Java. It's one of Indonesia's most amazing and mysterious historical places. Built hundreds of years ago, it shows us how ancient civilization lived in our country. Even though it's beautiful and important, many people don't know about it. Sadly, the temple is being damaged by nature and people are not taking care of it. The next topic is the value of Gedong Songo Temple. Gedong Songo Temple is a group of 9 small temples in the beautiful hills of Central Java. This temple built by the ancient Sanjaya king, and it was a place for prayer and thinking deeply about life. Today, it offers a breathtaking views of surrounding mountains, forests, and volcanoes, making it a beautiful blend of nature and spirituality. But Gedong Songo Temple is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a sacred monument that connects us to our past, revealing the Hindu influence in Indonesia's history. Unfortunately, Gedong Songo remains underappreciated, overshadowed by famous sites like Borobudur and Prambanan. This lack of awareness combined with environmental threats is why we must act now to protect and preserve it. So, I will talking about what makes the Gedong Songo Temple still exist until now. The existence of Gedong Songo Temple until now is an interesting archaeological wonder. Several factors can explain why this temple complex has been able to survive for centuries. The first is building material. Gedong Songo Temple was built using andesite. So, what is the andesite? Andesite is a type of volcanic rock known for its strength and resistance to weather. The quality of this material allows the temple to withstand natural influences such as rain, wind, temperature changes, and so on. And then the next we have construction technique. The construction technique used at that time were also very good. Ancient architects had a deep understanding of building structures so that the temple could stand firmly even though it was hundreds of years ago. The next is government and community attention. The Indonesia government has designed Gedong Songo Temple as a protected cultural heritage site. Preservation and maintenance efforts are continuously carried out to maintain the temple's sustainability. In addition, public awareness of the importance of preserving cultural heritage also contribute to the preservation of Gedong Songo Temple. Next, we have strategic location. The location of Gedong Songo Temple on the slope of Mount Ungaran provide natural protection for damage caused by natural disaster such as earthquake. In addition, the high location also make the temple more protected from flood. And the last is mythism and belief. Since ancient times, Gedong Songo Temple has been considered a sacred place and has spiritually power. This belief make local people protect and respect the existence of Gedong Songo Temple. However, Gedong Songo Temple still face threats of damage, such as the first is erosion and weathering. Natural processes such as rain and wind continuously erode the temple stone. And then the next is vandalism. Acts of vandalism by irresponsible people can damage important parts of the temple. And then the next is increasing number of visitors. The increasing number of visitors can damage the temple structure if not managed properly. Therefore, effort to preserve and protect Gedong Songo Temple must continue on a sustainable basis. In this way, we can ensure that the cultural heritage of our ancestors remains preserved for future generations. And then the last is conclusion. Gedong Songo Temple, a hidden gem in Central Java, is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Indonesia. Its architectural grandeur, spiritual significance, and natural beauty make it a captivating destination. However, this invaluable historical site faces numerous threats, including natural erosion, vandalism, and increasing impact of tourism. To ensure its preservation for future generations, concerted efforts are needed to raise awareness, implement sustainable tourist practice, and provide adequate funding for conservation and restoration. By safeguarding Gedong Songo Temple, we not only protect a piece of our past but also enrich the cultural landscape for the future. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.